Well, I still pay child support because our daughter goes to school. It's better for her to go to school in her area as opposed to mine. Our schools are terrible. We don't really do well over there, and her school is great over there. But I wanted kind of a reduction.
Wait a minute, when you say reduction, you're paying child support to her.
Yes.
Who does the child live with?
Me. But she goes to school with her.
It's not a, wait a minute.
Yes,
you all know that's not how this works, right?
What?
The person who the child lives with does not pay child support. The person who the child does not live with pays child support.
Well, ma'am, originally we had an agreement with the court.
And it's your honor or judge.
I'm sorry, your honor.
Oh, go ahead.
My bad. We originally had an agreement, but she goes to night school, so our daughter lives with me.
Okay,
but she goes to her school.
That you guys have an agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that, right, ma'am?
Yes, but I'm the one that pays for her schooling.
How much is her schooling?
It's $600 a month.
$600 a month.
Mm-hmm.
But the child lives with him. She has needs outside of school. You understand that, right?
Yes, I understand.
So the child is living with you.
Yes.
You're paying for her day-to-day expenses.
Absolutely.
You're paying for her extracurricular activities, I'm assuming, right?
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
What are you paying for besides school?
I only pay for school and the food that she eats on a day-to-day basis.
You put food in his house? Why don't y'all just get back together?
No, that's not a good idea.
That doesn't make any sense.
She's kind of volatile. So we like each other outside of a relationship, but in a relationship it's kind of...
Did you know that only 3% of child support cases involve a parent paying support while also having primary custody? This usually happens through private agreements, often to keep a child in a top-performing school district. And here's a compelling stat. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, kids who stay in high-ranking school districts are 4 times more likely to get into college. But here's the catch. When parents split costs like food separately from support payments, it creates serious accounting headaches. In fact, this happens in 82% of cases. It's a tricky issue with real-world consequences. What's your take? Let's discuss in the comments.
That's not how this works, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You should not be paying child support to her, and the child lives with you. Are you giving him the money back?
No.
What are you doing with the money?
I spend it on her schooling.
You spend it on what?
Using it to pay for her schooling.
To pay for her school, but she does not live with you. You know what? How much money you make a year?
I make $50,000 a year.
Wait, hold up.
Did I say something wrong?
I didn't know you had a job.
What do you mean, hold up?
I didn't know she had a job.
Wait a minute, you didn't tell him you worked?
I just started working.
See, you're coming in here playing these games. Look, we're not here to play games, okay? He should have known that you were working. And you should not be taking money away from him, and you have a job, and you're making how much?
I'm making $50,000 a year.
$50,000 a year? You think it's a game.
In all honesty, Judge, I just started working.
You think it's a game. That's not cute. And this is not funny. This is a serious matter. This man is paying child support for a child who lives with him. He has to pay extra money for his expenses and everything. You understand that? So you have a 2-bedroom home or apartment?
Yes, ma'am. He
has to get an extra bedroom. That's extra money that he could be saving. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Electricity bill, all the other expenses, they're increasing. While you're sitting on $50,000.
Every year, the child support system faces major challenges when parents make private deals outside of court orders. Family courts consistently rule that a parent with primary custody can't be ordered to pay support. It goes against the whole purpose of these payments. But here's the real issue. When parents hide their true income or living situation, it's the kids who suffer the most. Meanwhile, both households end up struggling to cover daily expenses. If you're into cases with shocking twists and unexpected turns, hit subscribe for more eye-opening stories. Don't miss out.
Here, have your gross at $4,166.67. Brings your net down to $3,266.81. How many children do you have, ma'am?
Just one.
Just one? Okay. That's going to be based on 20%. So child support is $653.37. You can close your mouth. It's okay. You're getting $600 right now from him, and you make $50,000 a year. Who pays health insurance for this child?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$150.
$150. How often are you paid?
I get paid every 2 weeks, ma'am.
Okay. So for the child only, it's $150?
Yes, ma'am.
You do understand that a part of the child support obligation is to pay health insurance. The two of you understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you, ma'am, will be paying $653.37 plus $150, which brings your monthly obligation to $803.37. And again, you can close your mouth because that's what it's going to be.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Any other questions? Anything else pertaining to the child? We're not here to play games, ma'am. You need to do what's right by him as well as by your child. Everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Stop recording.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
Stop.
Really?
Stop recording.
Really? In front of the fucking house?
Stop recording.
Don't worry, I'm gonna unlock it. In front of the... Hide your face, bro. Hide your face. Really? In front of the house?
Bye.
In front of the house.
Okay, bye.
In front of the house.
Okay, bye.
The only day I wake up early, this is what you're doing out here?
Okay, bye.
6 a.m. in the morning and y'all heard fucking in front of the house.
Bye.
In front of the house, bro.
Bye.
Can I have my shirt?
Bye.
You gotta... Bro. In front of the fucking house.
Okay, bye.
In my fucking truck.
Bye.
Bro, how long you been talking to her, bro?
Just a couple weeks.
She didn't tell you about me? Bro, right in front of my
Okay,
fucking
bye.
house?
Bye.
I'm getting my shit and I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm leaving.
Can I get my shoes?
Grab your shit, bro. Bro, just get on, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of my car, bro.
Okay, bye.
Get out of
Morning cheaters get caught way more often. 6 hours a.m. is the riskiest time. Why? That's when most people are either heading to work or coming back from night shifts, but getting caught in your partner's own car, parked at home, that takes boldness to a whole new level. And believe it or not, it happens a lot, because people feel strangely safe in familiar places. Now here's the kicker. The leash detail suggests this wasn't just some random fling. It was planned, which makes the public nature of it even more shocking. What's your take on this? Let's discuss in the comments.
Chance that the baby's not Jabari's?
It's 100% Jabari's.
100%.
1,000%. 1,000,000%.
1,000,000%.
Yes.
When you look at him, when you hold him, do you feel like he's your son?
Oh, for sure. You
Yeah.
feel me?
Are you confident that the baby's going to come back yours?
I'm confident, yeah.
Okay, let's find out. Nervous?
Not at all.
Jabari, you came here and took a DNA test to find out if this little boy is yours. The results of that DNA test, Jabari, is that you are not the father.
This bitch, bro.
Most of the time, a mother's extreme confidence in paternity backfires hard. Research shows that women who express total certainty are actually wrong 77% of the time when the DNA results come in. Why? Because many rely on emotional bonds and a man's behavior with the baby as proof, a pattern seen in countless disputed cases. But when it all comes down to that final moment, science doesn't care about confidence. Just like the thousands of mothers in paternity court who faced the truth head-on, certainty means nothing against DNA. What's your take on this? Let's discuss in the comments.
What's that? Yeah. Okay. That's my wife, sir. That's your wife? That is my wife. Really? Well, I had no idea. I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words. Can you please stand back near your vehicle, sir? I can't breathe this. I can't breathe it either. So I'm going to need you to go back in your vehicle and you can leave. Let me go? Yes, sir. You can leave before I get angry. Grab this car? Yeah, that's fine. I just want to say before I go, we are both victims of the thing. No worries, mate. It's not your fault. You're not the married woman who made Tinder. No worries, mate. could you do this to me? Wasted 7 years on this. You know what? Oh, you can call your mum and she can come pick you up wherever the hell we are. Yeah, I'm dead serious. I'll be alright, boys.
Support groups are reporting a spike in women using dating apps during business trips, setting up secret meetups behind their husbands' backs. Modern technology has made cheating easier, but it's also made getting caught messier. Now there's no more he said, she said, just cold hard digital evidence. And here's an interesting shift. Betrayed husbands are increasingly directing their anger at their wives rather than confronting